It was smooth, it was quiet, it was different, definitely state of the art. I was definitely pretty impressed by it, not what I expected. I did put it through its paces. I tried digging in the pile to see if I could bog it down or anything. It plowed right through it. It was actually pretty impressive. No lack of power for sure.
Volvo is a very good product. I've driven their articulated trucks, their excavators, and now the electric vehicle. Yeah, there's no sound to it, so yeah, it's awesome. It's got its perks, so being electric.
Yeah, it was pretty cool, actually, yeah. It seemed pretty fast and pretty responsive on the hydraulic controls. It was really intuitive.
It's a little quicker on the hydraulics than a lot of the diesel machines that I've run over the years. Very responsive, overall very smooth. It's nice running something where you don't have the noise. They like the fact that they're quiet. The responsiveness of the controls, everything that we've deployed thus far has been very successful from an operator acceptance perspective.
We're starting to get more into industrial where we got to go inside buildings where a diesel motor, it's hard to get the permits, the ventilation, proper ventilation to get them in there, where we're kind of looking more into possibly getting electric to meet that requirement to make it easier for us to get in there, do our job, and come back out. Less paperwork on our end. It's different. It's different. I mean, it's a good different. It's not like what the heck are we doing kind of stuff. I mean, I feel like it's definitely a step in the right direction for moving forward.